Hello, everybody. My name's Calvin Hendryx-Parker, and I'm coming to you talking to Matt Harrison, who's going to be with us at the Python Web Conference coming up here in March. Matt, give a quick introduction.
Yeah, my name's Matt, and I run a company called Metasnake. Metasnake does corporate training for Python and data science. So I like to say that I sell snake oil and I teach people how to tell lies with data.
What are you going to be presenting on at Python Web Conference here? What do folks have to look forward to from Matt Harrison at Python Web Conf?
I'm going to be talking about idiomatic pandas. I've got a tutorial on that, and then I've got a talk on machine learning called Stirring the Pot. Basically, taking people who want an introduction to machine learning, how they can start leveraging it.
Is there a hook or a catch in the talk?
Well, it's sort of a play on, I think Randall Munroe, XKCD, has a comic where they're like, this is machine learning. We're just going to take all these numbers and stir them around until something interesting comes out. So hopefully I'll tell you how to tell lies with that, or stir it around until something interesting comes out of your data.
That's awesome. I look forward to it. What are you looking forward to most during Python Web Conference this year?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to interacting with others, networking with them, learning from them. I have used Python on the web. But as of recent, have been more involved with data science side, analytics, and just Python in general. So excited to reach out, connect with others, see how they are leveraging Python on the web these days, and learn from them.
Great. Well, we look forward to seeing your tutorial and your talk at Python Web Conference. And thanks for joining us. I really appreciate you being a part of the show.
Yeah, awesome. My pleasure.